your girl just came back from Starship, so that's why I was like a little dressed, you know, to impress. Hello, whatever. I am going to be giving you 5 weight loss tips after quitting the Wegovy injections. For those who do not know, I did lose weight this year on Wegovy. I lost 20 pounds in 4 months. Yeah, girl. Your girl lost weight. Yes, and I'm so excited and so happy. All right, so now that we are done with Wegovy, and I will use some tips. First tip is your mindset. Have to be in the right headspace before you start your weight loss journey. Now, I get it. We can lose weight regardless of whatever mindset we are in. However, that if your mind is not right, meaning that if you have like past trauma or PTSD from weight loss because you've been yo-yo dieting, there's a whole lot of factors that can come into it that can affect your weight loss. Like, for example, like I said, I lost 20 pounds in 4 months. But the reason why I feel like I was successful at doing that is because last year, 2022, I did a self-care check for me. I had to figure out, you know, what was going on. I had to heal my past trauma. I had to get rid of people that was in my life. Like, I have videos about that. And I had to end a 19-year marriage, and all of that helped me. Matter of fact, really my 19-year marriage ended this year. However, I still made those sacrifices of making sure that my happiness came first before anybody else's, and that is what set me up for success into losing weight on Wegovy. It wasn't just the Wegovy injections, because I can just overeat and the whole process can go to waste. However, my mindset and it was clear. You know, I had a better understanding of what I want in my life. Like, I was doing something for Tamika. I was making Tamika happy. And that's what you have to do for yourself. You have to make sure that you are doing what you are doing to make yourself happy. Don't lose weight for other people. Don't let other people interfere with your weight loss, because that's your why. So, okay, so number 2, get to a weight loss plan for 90 days minimum. So with the whole weight loss, the 90-day weight loss, this is going to be a trial and error for you. Please do not give up within 2 weeks, 1 week, a month, and you feel like something is not working. For example, if you are on the ketogenic plan, you know that you have to give up carbs. You are only going to be eating 20 net carbs. Now, everybody's afraid of the whole keto flu. However, there is ways to combat that. So, for example, instead of eating 20 net carbs, you can eat 25 net carbs. You have to adjust it to fit you so that you will not have that keto flu, because the lower your net carbs are, so if you are eating only 10 net carbs, which is hard, and I've done that before, I nearly passed out and was just feeling like I was dying on my bed because I had no energy and everything just tastes very funny. That's the whole keto flu. And then your stomach is like just very nauseous feeling. So in order to combat that, I had to increase, but nobody told me that. That's something that I had to learn on my own. So with any plan that you do, please make sure you are giving it at least 90 days. Now, do an adjustment. Now, if you need to adjust, tweak, whatever, then do that in between. Don't wait till you're end of the 90 days and you done gained 20 pounds. No, that's not what you do. Just adjust and tweak and then stay on that plan for at least 90 days. That's like with exercise. If you're lifting weights, if you're walking, give it 90 days. Your body has to have time to adjust to whatever it is that you're doing. Wegovy injections, I needed to give it time in order to see it actually working and getting into my system so that I can lose weight, right? And I hope you are losing weight on your Wegovy. So please, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so already. But number 3, eating is a lifestyle. Whether if it's good or bad, no matter what food it is, I believe truly now you should have a good, healthy relationship with food. That is going to be a whole separate video. Choose a long-term eating plan that you can stick to for a lifetime span. I mentioned keto, I mentioned Wegovy. I've been on It Works, Atkins diet, Weight Watchers, All of those programs was something that I knew that was going to be short term, but I was trying to make it into a lifestyle, knowing that that was something that I was not going to do. So if you're going to be on any of these weight loss plans, just understand that some of this is only a short-term fix, and some of it you can make it into a lifestyle, like keto. A lot of people are doing keto for a lifestyle because that is what they like. They enjoy doing it and they don't have a problem with it. But for Wegovy, that's something that I'm not going to do. Maybe that is something that you're going to do for a lifestyle. Keep going and going and going, injecting shots. But I knew that was not going to be that was going to be short term for me. So I already knew that. But you have to have something in place that once you get off of whatever it is that you are on, just know that you're going to gain a few pounds. It's just water weight, because your body needs time to adjust to the new things that you are putting into your body, whether it's good or bad. And then you can go ahead and continue with your lifestyle journey, eating whole foods, eating more plant-based, going vegan, intuitive eating, So just make sure that you understand what you're doing is what you're doing for short term, or what you're going to do, or what you are doing is for long-term lifestyle. That's where your happiness is coming from. It's how I am able to continue to have a healthy relationship with food, eating pattern, workout plan. You can either track your food or don't track your food. Don't let anybody tell you that you need to track your food, because you don't. I stopped tracking. I was tracking because I wasn't sure exactly how many calories I was eating when I was on Wegovy. So I tracked my food for about 2 to 3 weeks. And girl, I ended up gaining 6 pounds. That was 6 pounds of water weight. Now, before I even started to gain 6 pounds, I noticed that I was not going to the bathroom. This is just a little side note. I was not going to the bathroom on a regular, and I was constipated. And then July 5th is when I went to Longhorn. I'll have a picture up. I went to Longhorn, and then I was like, you know what? I still have not been going to the bathroom. So I said, let me take a laxative. Took a laxative, and those scales still kept going up. Like, that scale looked at me like, girl, what you doing? I know you're not fixing to hop on this scale and think that I'm fixing to go down. Nope, I'm gonna take you up another notch. So I went from 170 to 176 within a matter of days. I noticed that my stomach was bloated, and in that time I was trying to increase my protein. I was kind of like adjusting my carbs, trying to eat like 100, then 80, then 50, and then I took it down to 30. And the weight still was not coming off. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take this water pill, which is a prescription water pill that I got from my doctor months ago. I said, let me take that. And then I just started changing the way I eat. And I just let all of that calorie counting go. I let all of that low carb stuff go. And I just ate what my body felt like it needed, because I was craving apples. I was craving oatmeal. It was like all this stuff that I was craving that we consider in the low carb or keto world not good for you. Don't ever think that carbs, you cannot lose weight. You can lose weight with carbs, okay? That's just a little side note, a little tip, because your girl is doing something, but I'm just not going to tell you right now. I'm just not going to tell you right now, okay? But within 2 days, I was able to lose 4 out of the 6 pounds, and my body felt so much better. The bloating went away. I looked a little bit more smaller, and that's because I was probably just holding on to a whole lot of water weight, and my body was not regulating the way that it needed. And I am going to the bathroom on a regular without any laxative, but that was only a one-time thing, only because I was not moving. I was trying to hurry up and get it to move, and it wasn't moving. All right, so tip number 4, I'm reading my notes here. Besides regular, walking every day is healthy and it's safe. That is the bottom line. That is like the baseline. If you can't do anything else, walk. If you're only getting 2,000 steps, try to get 5,000, 8,000, and get your 10,000. I talk about this all the time, that for the past couple of weeks, I have been getting close to my 10,000 steps. Every day I don't get 10,000, but Monday through Friday, it's 10,000. I get it in the day, whether if I go to the gym or don't go to the gym, because I walk. I walk at 5 o'clock in the morning in-house, home workout, and I walk at work. And then by the end of day, I would have gotten about 9,000, close to 10,000 steps. If I go to the gym, I will automatically be over 10,000 steps. I do 4 rounds and my body feels sore. Like when I do my home workouts and do 4 rounds, girl, I'm feeling it. When I go to the gym and I do 4 rounds, I'm feeling it. So it really doesn't matter where you go. You just have to put in the work in order to work out. Number 5, you need to go to bed early. You need to go to bed early. I am the type of person who goes to bed before. It used to be around 8:30. I would be in my bed, but I wouldn't be sleeping till about maybe 9:15, 9:30. And then about a month or so prior to today, I was like going to bed 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and it was just wearing me out. Then I was like, you know what? I'm going to bed too late to be getting up early at 5. And then that's why I kept, hitting the snooze button, because I'm like, your girl is not getting up at no 5 o'clock. And then I just went to bed like almost 6 hours ago. So what I decided to do was go to bed, be in my bed by 9 o'clock, 9:30. I am literally dozing, like just ready to fall asleep. Another thing I did was I took the TV out my room. I don't have my TV in my room anymore. All I have is my iPad, and it's just like, just go to sleep, So, and I fall asleep around that time every day, like Monday through Friday. I am in my bed, falling asleep, dozing off by 9:30. And then I get up at 5. I don't hit the snooze button. I keep my phone on my table. So when I am in my bed, which is right behind this camera, I get up and I have to come over here and hit the button so it can go off. And then I just go out the door and go brush my teeth and start. Remind you again, the 5 tips is mindset. Commit to a weight loss. Eating is a lifestyle. Exercise regularly. Go to bed early. All right, thank you so much for watching, and remember to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos, which I upload weekly. And check me out on my Instagram. She is Tamika. You can follow me on TikTok and Facebook. She is Tamika. If you want to get more updates, because your girl just came back from Starship, so that's why I was like a little dressed, to impress. Whatever. But anywho, thank you so much for watching, and I will check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.